This is just the front door. Then to your right, you have my little nice kitchen. It's small, but it's just me, so no complaints. And this little shelf, I'll probably put some nice decorations on. And then I have my stove, my microwave. You know, I love my backsplash. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is just a candle I got from Walmart to give it a smell. It has so much cabinet space. It's like a lot cabinet space. Oh damn, just cabinet space. And another thing I love about this apartment is the drawers. And I say that because they close on their own. I love it. Like, then we have more cabinets, and I have a full fridge. Nice fridge. And then over to the left, I have my washing machine. It's very little, but washer and dryer, but even though it's small, it's just me, so once again I can't complain. And then to this side is more cabinets, and this will be my pantry. This will be my pantry. Then another favorite part is the backsplash, like I said, and I have a full sink and another candle. So then that open space is my living room. I'm gonna go to the living room. It also comes with a nice bar. Someone's texting me. Hardwood floor. And this is just an overview of the living room. And then since we're right here, this goes to the door, goes to my balcony. The wind is blowing. And this is my view from my balcony. And then I'm just gonna go straight through here. This is my bathroom. And that is one of the closets. It doesn't have much closet space, but it's fine because it's on me. And then this is the bathroom. I gotta go keep my passions alive. Please say you've heard of a place I can fly where nothing's impossible. That's where I gotta go. They said the only way up was to get alive. I love this thing. I'm telling you that somebody lied. It has a lot of cabinet space. And then of course the toilet and the tub.
I call it Neverland, where we can take flight and don't have to ever land. You can stay young forever.
And I love how this apartment is up to date because my last one was not up to date. And then you have the master bedroom, which is just a nice big open space. And it goes back to the kitchen and then my bedroom. And then this is the view from my window. And this window has a tint on it, so from the outside it looks like a mirror, and on the inside it's just dark. Alright. So yeah, that's my apartment tour. My 1-bedroom apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed my apartment tour. If you did, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it.